Sugar in food, essential energy or silent threat. Sweet, satisfying, and seemingly everywhere, sugar is a key ingredient in our daily diet. But is it a friend or a foe? Sugar is an essential source of energy. Our bodies break it down into glucose, fueling everything from brain function to physical activity. Natural sugars in fruits, vegetables, and dairy provide vital nutrients while keeping us energized. But not all sugars are created equal. Added sugars, found in processed foods, sweets, and soft drinks, offer little to no nutritional value. Consuming too much added sugar can lead to energy crashes, weight gain, and even serious health issues like diabetes and heart disease. The World Health Organization suggests limiting added sugar to less than 10% of daily calorie intake, roughly 50 grams for the average adult. Choosing whole foods over processed ones, reading nutrition labels, and reducing sugary drinks can help maintain a healthy balance. Sugar isn't the enemy, but moderation is key. Be mindful of what you eat, and let natural sugars fuel your body the right way. Please like this video and subscribe for more health insights.